Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to draw two lines L1, L2 through their following points DE and AB respectively. So let's start plotting. My point D is -2 and 3. So I'm going to zoom in and start plotting. -2, x is -2, y is 3, so it will be here. This is 3, and my x is -2, so this will be my point D. And my point E, x is 2, y is 1, so x is 2 is here, y is 1, so it's somewhere here. That will be my point E. In the middle here is 1, just to let everybody see. And I could then use a ruler to join them. Okay, so that will be my L1. Let's label it L1. Next line. Oh yeah, do take note of the typo. So this is not, that's not what we are going to draw. We are going to draw -2, -4. Okay? So do take note of that. So when x is -2 and -4, I have successfully found my point A here. And for B, B would be 4 and 6. X is 4. Y is 6. So it is this point here. And I'm going to pull out my ruler and join the point AB now. Alright, and that will be my line 2. Now, for part 2 of this particular question, we are required to find the gradient and the equation of the lines L1 and L2. So for L1, since we are given the points, we could then just simply apply the formula for gradient. Okay, so I hope you all still remember to find gradient. The general formula here would be, given any 2 points, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, and the general formula for the equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where this is my gradient and this is my y-intercept, which is the point, the y-coordinate that cuts the, of the point on the line that cuts the y-axis. Okay, so next part here for gradient is pretty straightforward now that we know this. Then for L1, it is simply 1, 3 minus 1 over -2 minus 2. This will give me a value of -1. And therefore, the equation of this line, I go back to my graph. Do take note for L1, that is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is actually 2 from observation from the graph. And therefore, y equals to -1x, positive 2 for the y-intercept. This positive 2 is gotten from the graph itself. as highlighted in green. Replicating this method, then for L2, the gradient would then be negative 4 minus 6 over negative 2 minus 4. And this will give me a value of 5 over 3. Okay? And from the graph, I saw that the y-intercept is actually, for this particular line, would be 3 over, so it is actually negative 0.6, which is, can be written as negative 3 over 5. And so, coming back to my equation, then y will be equals to 5 over 3x minus 3 over 5. Okay? And that will be the answer for this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.